Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Maggie. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a simple ombre lips. This is a simple step-by-step tutorial, and all you need is a brown eye pencil or a lip liner and a lipstick palette like this, or any nude lipstick. You can use that. So let's get right into it. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to dust off with my powder shade. I'm going to dust off the areas of my mouth. So you have to prep your mouth, just wipe off everything like this. I'll start off by sharpening my eye pencil. Always make sure your eye pencil is sharpened. My eye pencil is very short, but it can work. So you just start to outline your lips and here. Follow the shape of your mouth to outline your lips. The lipstick shades for ombre lips can be complementing or contrasting colors. Take your time to outline your lips. Gently outline the upper lip. Pro tip: go above lip line when outlining, makes your lips fuller. As when you get to your cupid bow, this part, you're going to bring your pencil down like this. You form a V shape on your cupid's bow, like a V shape, so you just bring it down. Outline the remaining part of your upper lip. As shown, be flexible with your eye pencil when outlining. When you get to the corners, slightly open your mouth to outline the corners. Go over your lips with your eye pencil or lip liner and outline again. I'm taking my time to outline my lips because this is like the main thing in doing like an ombre lips. You just have to make sure you outline it neatly. Follow your lip line outline, but when you get to the cupid bow, you just draw like a V shape. You see what I did there? Just give like a V shape there. So that's the first thing. And after outlining your lips, you get like a blending brush like this, and then you just blend in. Don't leave any harsh lines, so you just blend it in gently. When you get to your cupid's bow, you just follow what you outlined and blend in. After outlining your lips, you get like your lipstick palette. I'm using this Nude lipstick today. There are different types of ombre lips, but I'm doing the nude one today. That's like the nude lipstick and the brown lip liner over. So use the blending brush to scoop out small amounts of lipstick from your palette. Gently fill in lip with lipstick. So when you do your lower lips, you can just gently gently do that, please. Add more and just tap on it like this. Open your mouth so you're able to blend it in properly. Then gently do that, please. Keep smacking lips until it's well blended. Make sure the inner corners of your lips is well blended. Don't worry about this. If you make a mistake like this, you can always go back to outline your lips. So go over it again with your lip liner or your eye pencil. See the mistake here? Just correct it. Use your pencil to go over the outline again. Gently follow the first outline and outline again. Just get a blending brush after outlining and just make sure you blend in the lipstick and the liner together. You don't want to see any lines there. Just make sure it's well blended. It's called an ombre lips because lipstick and liner fade into one another, So you want to make sure to blend in well. I'm going to conceal my lips to just bring out like the perfect shape. So guys, before concealing, if you don't like your lipstick like matte, if you like it glossy, you can just use like a transparent lip gloss like this and go over it. Gently apply gloss on lips for a glossy lips. Tap on it and do not drag. Make sure to evenly distribute gloss on lips. Then finally, to bring out the shape of your lips, you have to conceal it. Just apply my concealer, the concealer brush, a flat concealer brush. Make sure you blend it on the surface like this. Conceal. Gently start to conceal from the corner of your mouth. See? Notice the shape start changing. Notice the difference. Conceal the upper lip. So don't worry about this, you're going to blend it in with your beauty blender. As shown, spread lips and conceal under properly. For the upper lip, do as shown and conceal neatly and gently. Just gently outline. If you're not careful, you're going to mess up your lips, so you have to do that gently. Like so you can see it. As you can see how well outlined it is now. You always have to do this. So make sure you do it gently so you don't ruin your lips. So I'll just blend this in my skin and we're done. The damn beauty blender to just carefully blend this concealer in your skin. Gently do that, please. Make sure to blend concealer properly. Blend upper parts. Done blending. Perfect. So guys, this is like the final thing. You take your powder brush, you blend in the concealer on the areas of your mouth. Gently dust off your mouth area with your powder shade. That's all. So guys, this is the final result. It wasn't hard, was it? So let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube if you haven't subscribed, so you don't miss out when I post exclusive content. So yes, this is it, and yes, thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.